just moved to the USA and need a credit card? But wait, you have no credit history? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get your first credit card in the USA, step by step. In the USA, your credit score decides if banks trust you. Without a score, most banks say no to credit cards. But there's a way around it. Apply for a secured credit card. You deposit money, like $200, and that becomes your credit limit. Use it for small purchases, pay it back on time, and your credit score starts building. Some banks like American Express, Capital One, and Discover are friendly to newcomers. They even approve cards for people without a credit score if you have a stable income or an ITIN. Never spend more than 30% of your credit limit. Always pay the full bill on time. In 6 months, you'll have a good enough score to upgrade to a better card. Getting a USA credit card with no history is possible. You just need the right strategy. Subscribe for more USA finance tips.